Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's see the workings of design principle here. Now, humans were designed in a way to get used to a particular pattern of design they see every day. Now, to avoid that, we need to create a design that is unusual to what they see every day. That's where the principle of alignment, the principle of proportion, the principle of scale come in play. Now, if you look at the word design, letter D is bold. That's the principle of proportion. So when this design is being cited, the letter D draws the attention of the user to the word design because the weight is unusual. Okay, now followed by the principle of alignment. Standardly, this it's supposed to be aligned this way, then this way, but this is normal. I would not really say I violated the principle of alignment. I manipulated the principle. I brought it this way. Now, though I still want to keep to the principle, that is why I said I manipulated it. I still want to keep to the principle of alignment, but not in all the objects. Okay, then the message I'm trying to pass is design insights. When you look at the design, first you see design, then you see insights. The design is because of the D, and the insight is because of the letter I is stressing to the word design. Now, this is where the principle of scale come in place. If you look at the word simplicity, it's smaller than others because I want to cause tension with my design. That is why I did it that way. Now, and I want to stress, I want to also draw attention to the author of this quote. Now, all of this, it's mind game, but I end up making the composition interesting for users. So it's a win for me because I get user to want to know what is composed here. If you also look at the image we have at the background here, it has to do with the principle of scale because I wanted to cause tension with that image by enlarging it in an unusual manner. So also with this matrix background we have here, I wanted to communicate the essence of technology relating to the image, the mouse image. I just wanted it to communicate to each, like to connect, because mouse and matrix, they are related. So I just wanted to pass that message. That was how I came up with the idea of me putting mouse and the matrix background. And the design insights, if you look at the word here, the message that is being written here, it says simplicity. It's about subtracting the obvious and adding the meaningful. So, and if you look at this mouse, the design of the mouse, it's simple. Basically, I just wanted to create a design that says a lot of things. Okay, so I also made use of the principle of white space in this design. Now, all of this space, it's just it makes the design to breathe. Like, it gives the design that space it needs. It gives the design that space, that breathing space it needs to draw attention. So that is that. So know when to violate your principle or when to manipulate a principle, of design. Just be creative, be yourself, enjoy yourself, look at other people design, like other great designers, learn from them. Just explore. So thank you for listening. See you next time.